kami. The first guy na nakita ko sa Social House was Ron. Tapos parang wala, tahimik kasi siya. So, cute, gano'n. Tapos, dumating si Polo. Feel ko naman, kung napanood niyo yung episode 1 to the present, parang, patay na. Hindi ko alam ka. Basta yun, pero, tahimik na.
Got talaga. Attraction, no?
Yeah.
Attraction.
Yeah. So, yun naman. Pero, I think yun nga, going back to love points, I think it was very important kasi feeling ko din lahat kaming daters, we all felt na kulang talaga yung time. And yun nga yung essence ng buong show, na-realize namin na you have to value time. Kasi at the end of the day, sobrang konti, sobrang bitin ng everything. It's not like normal life na kung may gusto kang kilalanin, pwede kang matagal kayong magkausap, pero dito wala eh. If you just have 5 love points, that's just 5 minutes. 5 minutes is so short. Kaya natutunan ko talaga na kung may gusto ka sabihin, sabihin mo.
Kumbaga, assert yourself and be open, no?
Yes.
No judgments. Jong, ikaw naman, kanino ka pinaka na-attract at first glance sa simula lang? Yung parang gut feel lang talaga na, type ko to
Yung hindi pa
Day one, sa day one, yes.
First glance.
Except si Ron.
Si Pupa talaga.
Oh!
First glance. Sinabi ko yun sa episode 1.
Oo, siya talaga. Ikaw naman, Pupa. Kanino ka pinaka na-attract? Did you feel like may chemistry talaga nung day 1?
Yung day 1, wala pa talaga. So, wala.
But kailangan you get to know them more muna?
Yeah. Tapos when I got to talk to the three of them, I was certain I was gonna choose John. Yeah.
Oh, exciting! Malalaman namin sa episode 8 kung talagang sila ba ang nagkapilian. Medyo kinilig ako dyan, Sige, we will find out. Now let's go to you, Victoria. You had a couple of missions. Meron bang mission that made you feel the most uncomfortable?
Never lang ako nanalo. Yun, hindi comforting. Okay naman, wala naman.
Dun sa skating.
It was really fun. Hindi naman uncomfortable. Sabi ko, yung maghahawakan kami ng body part. Sabi ko lang kung sana hindi breast. Pero okay naman.
So everything was good naman?
Yeah, fun. I had fun.
How about you, Polo? What was the most uncomfortable mission for you?
Uncomfortable? Wala naman siguro. Actually, mahilig ako sa games kasi medyo competitive ako. So, I really wanted to win everything, but I guess I didn't.
And also, we have our game changer, another game changer joining us, JC Alcantara. Big round of applause para JC. Can you also move a bit lang and give space for JC? Ayan. JC, hello, you wanna say hi to everyone? Hi, JC.
Hello, ako naman ang JC.
Hello po. Ito, JC Alcantara po ulit. Sorry, galing po ako ng taping from Cavite to here po. Umabol ba?
So dahil kakarating mo lang, JC, sa'yo rin ang una kong tanong. Pero before that, move lang daw po muna tayo ng konti so that all of our audience can see all your beautiful and handsome faces. Alright, okay, the first question is to you, JC. Bilang game changer, upon arriving, did you feel na may konting tension? Yung mga boys medyo na-intimidate ba? Na-feel mo ba? Na-feel mo ba yung mga girls medyo kinilig? What was your reaction?
Actually, that time, sobrang in-enjoy ko lang. And excited ako before mag-enter dito sa show na to. Pero medyo kinabahan din ako kasi dahil nonchalant ako, medyo nahihiya ako makipag-communicate with them. Pero nung nakita ko si Ron, medyo nakalma ako. Kasi magkakala may roommate kami na to sa pamilya sa may ibang show pala. Magkasama kami. Basta magkasama kami ni Ron and then naging comfortable ako. And yung pag-welcome nila sa akin, nakakapi naman ako.
How about you, Alex? Pagdating na